Hi, I'm David Birch. I am a Tai Chi and Qigong teacher. Those are simple techniques that combat stress and help the body heal. And this is day number 9 of my 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. And we're going to be doing pushing mountains today. Now, there is a separate standalone Qigong technique called lifting sun and moon. That is the first move of pushing mountains. And that looks like this. It's simply like you're holding the sun and moon in your palms, starting alongside the body, and we lift up, elbows to the back, and then we drop the palms down. From the side, it looks like this, up and down. And we inhale up, and we exhale down. And for expelling stress, letting off stress like a steam whistle, we exhale with a sigh of relief through the mouth, like a ha sound, releasing that stress, letting it go. So it's inhale, up, exhale, down. And it looks like this. The long, slow, deep breathing down regulates your nervous system, moves you from stress mode to rest and digest mode. Let your body heal. Your body does the healing, but sometimes we keep it so stressed out that it can't perform that function. And that's where these exercises come in. Breathing, linking our breath to motion, mindful movement with a relaxed and focused mind. We can even close the eyes and relax more and more and more. Now, pushing mountains. When the hands float up to chest level, this is holding sun and moon. And this can be a static standing position that you can relax, 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 and practice to build resilience, to build energy. But we're going to rotate the palms in front. And if I was on the ground, this would be in the down push-up position. And then I'm going to push out. Or if I was on the ground, pushing up, right? And then lifting the fingers, pulling back, opening my chest. So this is not straight out and straight back. This is straight out, lifting, making an oval movement. Pressing the palm out, lifting with the fingertips, pulling back. Exhaling out. Inhaling as you open up the chest for a nice deep breath. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. I'm going to show you from the side. Lifting sun and moon. Inhale. Pause the breathing. Rotate the hands forward, palms forward. Exhale. Lift up the fingertips. Pull back, open up the chest. Inhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, pushing out. Pushing mountains. When we're done, we stay with the fingertips pointed to the sky. The elbows are not locked. We never lock anything out in Qigong. Relax, relax, relax the shoulders. And then we can turn the palms to the sky, relaxing, settling, building energy and resilience, pulling the palms back in, holding sun and moon at chest level, relaxing the neck, relaxing the head, sinking, and then palms down to finish as the hands float down by the sides. Let's practice pushing mountains. I really want you to practice with me and not just watch. And once you get the movement down, I want you to make sure that you close your eyes. And you can close your eyes, peek a little bit, close your eyes again, but I want you to relax fully. And most people can relax if they feel safe with their eyes closed. So we start with the Wuji position, neutral position, knees softly bent, sink, float the top of the head, breathe in, breathe out, and let all the stress flow into the ground. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, sigh of relief. Breathing in, float. Breathing out, sink. Palms up, breathe in. Palms to the front. Breathe out as you push out. Lift up the fingertips. Pull the palms back beside the chest. Inhale. Exhale, pushing out. Inhale, pulling back. Make the ha sound softer, like you're fogging up a mirror. The motion never stops. It's like a circle. Out, in, out, in. Breathing out, in, out, in. Close your eyes. Just a little bit faster and looser. Relaxing your body so your body will shift a little bit, drift a little bit. And then slow down. Feel the fronts of your palms pushing against the air, like the air becoming thick like fog. So you can feel it. Now, on this last push, leave your palms out in front. Fingertips to the sky, relax the shoulders, relax the elbows, the neck. Sigh of relief, relax the whole body. Turn the palms to the sky. Relax. Soften. Seek enjoyment. Trying to feel what is just right. Now pull the palms back, holding sun and moon at chest level. Sink. Settle. Palms down. Now, if your eyes are still closed, warm up your hands. Warm up your eyes with the palms. Place your palms over your eyes. Let the warmth penetrate. Sink into the eyes. Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. Do a dry wash of the eyes. Bigger circles. Dry washing the whole face. Up through the scalp. Fingertips close to the scalp. Squeeze your neck muscles, your shoulders. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.